Climate change is a critical issue that's already causing widespread and far-reaching impacts on our environment, our health, and our society.
From rising sea levels and rising temperatures to natural disasters and mass extinctions, climate change is by far the most pressing problem we face today.
Moreover, as important as agriculture is for economies and survival, when farmers harvest and sell their crops, they are processed by agro-industrial companies, these big corporations which retain only the valuable parts of crops, generating billions of tons of crop residues annually as a result.
In the tropics, these residues are either burnt or left to rot. This means that all the CO2 that they had captured during photosynthesis is released back into the atmosphere, creating massive environmental damage.
We can prevent this.
At BioChar, we extract and stabilize about half of the carbon contained in these residues through a process called pyrolysis. The resulting solid product, called BioChar, is incorporated into the soil to durably store this carbon out of the atmosphere. This long-term carbon removal effect allows us to generate high-quality carbon credits, which helps companies neutralize their unavoidable emissions. The production process of BioChar also generates renewable energy in the form of gases. We use part of these gases to make the pyrolysis process self-sustained and convert the remaining part into renewable electricity, a much-needed resource in the rural parts of the developing world. When biochar is mixed with topsoil, it acts as a carbon sponge that improves water and nutrient retention in soils. And unlike fertilizers, biochar is only added once to the soils and provides long-lasting effects. This significantly improves crop yields and thus increases farmers' income.
Biochar is a revolutionary solution in sustainable agriculture. It captures carbon while enriching soil, it boosts crop yields, it reduces water usage, and it minimizes the need for synthetic fertilizers.
Some of biochar's strengths include its unique, innovative method of soil improvement through carbon sequestration, and this sets it apart from traditional agricultural products. Additionally, it provides significant environmental and financial benefits, appealing to both environmentally conscious consumers as well as farmers and foresters.
Although there are weaknesses due to its lack of standardization and widespread adoption, and maybe even threats from regulatory barriers and new entries to the market, we believe that these potential hurdles are typical of solutions that create a new blue ocean with unforeseen market applications.
Biochar takes us away from the red ocean of competitive strategy and narrow foci into a vast blue ocean of a new industry, biogroup, and a shift in environmental impact by harnessing the power of an innovative patented technology.
As a result, biochar will have an extensive and powerful customer reach, which will not only expand the potential for profit, but also ensure immense economic and environmental impact in the global agricultural sector.
By eliminating traditional charcoal and chemical-based soil enhancers, biochar offers a sustainable and efficient alternative that leverages innovative mechanisms to reduce waste products and create agricultural enhancement.
In fact, the new and innovative biochar technology outperforms current agricultural products in every single factor of production and creates a wide array of powerful tools to manage waste and emissions while ensuring soil health.
Looking closer into the market, the threat of competition is low, as it is an untapped $190 billion market with fast-growing demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions. With innovative technologies and growing awareness of the benefits of biochar, there's an exciting opportunity for companies to secure their position and lead the charge in sustainable solutions.
Furthermore, the abundance of agricultural waste and forestry residues provides a steady and cost-effective source of raw materials for biochar production, enhancing the bargaining power of suppliers and ensuring the viability of the industry.
Our scaling strategy has the goal of meeting a removal capacity of 2 million tons of CO2 from the atmosphere. Our geographical strategy to this end is based on developing tropical environments, for agriculture is a predominant economic sector that generates massive amounts of crop residues. This gives us access to abundant and cheap feedstock for biochar production with minimal change in land use.
Beyond carbon removal, because biochar's operations are mainly in tropical developing countries, our ESG and SDG-driven goals and considerations for long-term financial success mean qualified, well-paid industrial jobs in rural areas, affordable soil enhancers, training and support for farmers, and stable electric power from a renewable and green energy source.
It's time to embrace the power of biochar's innovative technology to create a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future for all.